Today we're going to show you how to change the watch face on your Garmin Approach S70 series golf watch. Since there are 3 different methods for customizing the watch face, we will break this video into 3 sections that you can access from the description or timeline. In this section, we will cover installing watch faces from the Garmin Connect IQ Store. Connect IQ offers thousands of downloads to customize your watch. To get started, make sure your watch is paired with the Garmin Golf app. Then install our Garmin Connect IQ app to your smartphone. To begin, open the Connect IQ Store app. The main screen will show top downloads for watch apps, data fields, music services, watch faces, and widgets. But in this video, we will only be guiding you through installing a watch face. However, this process will be similar for these other Connect IQ downloads. If you have more than one Garmin device, we need to choose the watch you want to modify. To select the right watch, select My Device. Then select the 3 dots in the top right. Now touch Select a Device, and then the watch you want to change. Then press IQ Store to go back to the main IQ Store page. Select Search and then Watch Faces at the top. The list is sorted by the most popular, but you can also search by design or title at the top. In this example, we will select Luminous from the main list. On the Info tab, you can review information about the download, including screenshots. To install the watch face, select Install. Confirm any license agreements to proceed. The installation will begin. To check on the status, you can go back to the main Connect IQ screen and press on the My Device icon. Once completed, the new watch face will be installed. In addition, some Connect IQ downloads offer customization. To access the available settings, select the app type and then the title of the installed download. Select the settings icon and adjust the available options to fit your preferences. Once the changes are complete, select Save. The changes will automatically sync to your watch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. To learn more about your Approach S70, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.